mag-login ka dito sa Google Adsense. Ito, click mo to. And then, i-click mo tong Manage Tax Info. Ito. And then, i-click mo tong Add Tax Info. Ito. At magla-login ka. Type mo yung password mo and then login. Ayan na, ito na yung unang tanong. What type of account? So, yung ilagay ko is individual. I-click mo tong individual. And then, next. Are you a citizen or resident of the United States? So, click mo tong no. Kung hindi ka citizen doon, no yung isagot mo. Kung citizen ka doon, yes. So, hindi ako citizen doon. Filipino citizen ako. So, type mo yung no. And then, next, select W8 tax form type. So, i-click mo tong una. Ito yung una ang i-click mo. Yan. This form is most commonly used by non-US individual and would also be used to claim tax treatment benefits. So, ito yung i-click mo. And then, start. Tapos, ilagay mo yung pangalan mo dito. Tatanggalin ko tong M kasi hindi siya tinatanggap. Tapos ito, country, religion of citizenship. So, kung anong citizenship mo, ilagay mo dyan. Ako, Pilipino. So, Philippines. Nakita ko na. Ayan, Philippines. Ayan. So, click. Philippines pa lang yung citizenship ko. And then, ilagay nyo yung TIN number nyo. Kung nandyan kayo sa Pilipinas. Ako, nandito ako sa Sweden. Kaya, ilagay ko yung person number ko. And then, pindutin mo tong next. Ayan. Next, address na yung ilagay nyo. Ilagay ko na yung address ko dito. And then, kung nalagay nyo na yung address nyo, pindutin nyo na tong next. Ito na yung next na pilapan. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Pindutin mo tong yes. Itong pindutin mo yung yes. Yung ilagay ko is Sweden. Kasi nandito ako sa Sweden nakatira. And then, pagkatapos, lagyan mo ng check itong box. Ito. Lagyan mo ng check yan. Yan. Ito na yung next na pilapan. You may be exempt or have taxes withheld at reduced rate or certain income types earned within the US. These reduced rates and exemption vary among countries and specific income types. Select all that apply to you. You can claim any future income type that you can plan to earn from Google products. So, yung iselect ko, eto. services such as AdSense. So, yung AdSense. Sa AdSense lang ako nakikita. AdSense lang yung i-select ko. And then, pindutin mo itong article and paragraph. Itong article 7 and paragraph 1. Dito sa Sweden, article 7 and paragraph 1. Pag dyan naman sa Pilipinas, article 8. Dito naman sa withholding rate, ang pipiliin ko ay itong 0% reduced treaty rate. Yan. And then, next, lagyan mo ng check itong maliit na box. Yan. Then, scroll down. And then, next na tayo. Ito. Pindutin mo yan. So, nandito na yung form natin. I-click mo. And then, i-check mo kung tama ba yung spelling ng pangalan mo, yung address. Kasi pag hindi, pwede mong ulitin. Sa tingin ko naman, tama naman siya. Kaya, balik tayo. Pagkatapos nyong i-double check yung form, pag tama naman lahat, so, ang next nyong gawin ay pindutin nyo lang tong maliit na box. Lagyan nyo ng check. Yan. Next na tayo. Yan. Pagkatapos, ilalagay nyo ang full legal name. So, ilalagay nyo na yung full legal name dyan. Yung pangalan nyo at saka apelyido nyo. So, ilagay ko na yung sa akin. Pagkatapos nyong malagay ang inyong full legal name, are you the person listed in the signature section? So, kapag ikaw, pindutin mo yung yes. So, ako, pindutin ko tong yes kasi angalan ko yan. Next na tayo. Ayan. Pindutin mo yung next. Number 6 na tayo. Has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section performed any activities and services for the Google within the US? So, yung sagot ko, no. Pindutin mo yung no. Wala ka naman sa US. And then, next, lagyan mo ng check itong box. Ito. And then, ito na yung pinakalas. So, are you providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile that hasn't received payment or existing payment profile that has previously received payment? I am providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile that hasn't received payment. So, yan yung lagyan mo ng check. And then, final, submit. Ang status ko ay approve. Wow, na-approve siya agad. Yung iba, abutin pa ng 2 weeks. Pero ito, ayan na. So, yung status niya ay approve. So, tingnan ko sa email ko. Guys, na-approve na siya. Makaka-receive kayo ng email na approve. Ipapakita ko na lang, ilalagay ko mamaya. So, ganun lang kabilis guys, mag-apply ng tax form. Thanks. Okay, bye-bye!